To keep your i-mop in top condition and ensure the best cleaning results, there is some maintenance you should do. In this video, we are going to show you the daily maintenance step by step. First, turn off your i-mop and put it in storage position. Then, take off the batteries and put them on the official charger. Then, it's time for the tanks. Make sure you first remove the empty i-dose cup. After that, take off the clean water tank and empty it. Make sure you don't put the tank down on the filter, as this can damage it. Always put the tank down like this. Then, take off the dirty water tank and take out the floating ball system. Rinse it with clean water. When done, put it back. Then empty the dirty water tank and add fresh water to it. Shake it gently and clean it with the provided brush. Then, empty it again. Then put back the dirty water tank and the solution tank. Remember to leave off the caps so the tanks can ventilate. Then, it's time to clean the squeegee. Take it off with equal force so you don't damage the metal pins. Clean the blade and suction opening with running water. The brushes are next. Take them off by rotating the right one to the right and the left one to the left like this. Then clean them with running water. Also, notice this yellow brush indicator. When the brushes go over this indication line, it is time to replace the brush. Then take a damp cloth with only water and clean the scrub deck. Take extra care in cleaning these water nozzles, as this enables the i-mop to give water. When all clean, put back the brushes by rotating the right one to the left and the left one to the right. Then put the squeegee back into place. Again, with the same force on each side so you don't damage the metal pins. Do these steps daily and your i-mop will always give you the best cleaning results. If you need more information or want to submit a service request, please scan this QR code.